There was a variety of reasons behind choosing the Royal Welsh College. After having lived away from home for quite a while, I definitely felt I was ready to come back to Wales. Playing Welsh music specifically was starting to become a key part of what my career was going to be, so I felt like I should be here. Also, the teaching staff that played a really big part. I have what you'd probably call a classic portfolio career. I'm in a number of different bands. I also end up doing quite a bit of session work. I do a bit of teaching, which I very much enjoy. And I'm also moving into composing and arranging music. The college were fantastic in helping me to juggle studies with work that was going on outside. They care so much about every student, and they're so invested in making sure that everybody graduates. Um, but it was a fantastic lesson for me in balancing things, which is always going to be a part of a freelance portfolio career. The thing that's enjoyable about teaching the students here is that they are inquisitive. I want to help people to kind of explore their own musical identity, and help them to sort of understand what their relationship with the music is. And so far, everyone that I've worked with here has kind of had that in spades, and it's really, yeah, it's really inspiring actually to to work with people who are young and enthusiastic, and want to go out there and just sort of absorb it all. I'm very proud of the National Youth Folk Ensemble of Wales project, which we've been running for the last 6 or 7 years, just for trying to sort of create the pathway into the world of work that exists for orchestral musicians, and that didn't exist in traditional music. With a lot of hard work and also with a lot of luck, I kind of found myself in the world of work. But it would have been a whole lot easier if there'd been, people 5, 10 years older than me doing it, that I could sort of follow along. So that was what we were trying to create with Avanc, the National Youth Folk Ensemble. I would say to any prospective string students, try not to have a fixed idea of what you will be doing in 5 or 10 years, or don't tie yourself down to the idea of that playing your instrument is one thing, because it can be a lot more things, and that's maybe a more fun and a more fulfilling way to go about it.